Spring, summer is in the air. It is getting warm and it is time to head to the beach condo. This is Panama Breeze, serene, comfortable, and affordable. The Seaside Oasis 2-bed, 2-bath condo with a gorgeous view. I wish she put in her title that it was right on the beach. I'm really gonna only focus on the top 10 pictures. Like I said, she's giving guests directions here. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We got another great episode for you today. Spring, summer is in the air. It is getting warm and it is time to head to the beach. So today we are going to do an epic battle between two beach listings in Panama City, Florida. Let's go check out the beaches. Let's see how these places look. Let's see if we would stay there. And at the end, let's determine which place we would rather stay in. As always, guys, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And leave a comment below if you have anything that you think I should add, you thought should be different, or you disagree with me. That being said, guys, let's jump right in. Alright, guys, here we are at the first condo. This is Panama Breeze, serene, comfortable, and affordable. It is hosted by Darla. She has been hosting for 7 years. It is a guest favorite, 4.87 rated. Holds 4 guests, 2 bedrooms, 3 beds, 1 bath. She is going up against the Seaside Oasis 2-bed, 2-bath condo with a gorgeous view. This holds 6 guests. It's 2 bedrooms, 4 beds, 2 baths, hosted by Keandria. This is also a guest favorite at 4.88 rated. And let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at the title and the first 5 photos, and let's see what we see here. So first of all, I love how I don't even know how to say her name, Keandria. I love how she put this first picture up. It's very attention grabbing. It's a beautiful picture with a beautiful view of the beach. Then we got another picture of the bedroom, the kitchen, the living room, and the pool area as her top 5. I think these are a great top 5. She does call it a Seaside Oasis 2-bed, 2-bath condo with a gorgeous view. I love how she notes that there's a gorgeous view. I wish she put in her title that it was right on the beach, because a lot of these condos are a block or 2 away, as we'll see when we head over to Darla's listing. So Darla's listing, Panama Breeze, serene, comfortable, and affordable. I don't know if you want to put the name affordable in your listing. It kind of makes your listing sound a little janky. When I hear affordable, I hear things are going to be messed up. But her top 5 has a picture of her kitchen living room area, a picture of the outside of the condo, another very similar picture to her first leadoff picture, a picture of the name of the condo complex, Sunswept, and a picture of her front door. These are really just a bad top 5 pictures, guys. Those top 5 pictures you really want to draw your guest attention in, or your potential guest attention in. So you want it to be popping. You want the most beautiful photos, more like Keandra did. I gotta give the top 5 photos and title to Keandra. I would definitely more likely click on hers and click through hers. And with that being said, let's look through some of these pictures. Okay, I'm gonna go quick, guys, to keep this video a little bit shorter. I'm really gonna only focus on the top 10 pictures. Remember, a lot of guests are not gonna get through all your pictures if you have 30 or 40. So try to keep the amount of pictures you have down. So Keandra, this first picture is absolutely gorgeous. I think it's a great lead-off photo. Lets people know you're right on the beach. Then we got a nice living room. You got some different colors in there, pop of color. Looks nice, big screen TV. Then you got a nice comfortable bed. And I actually love how Keandria is doing this, because basically she's showing all the different features of her apartment. Remember, you don't want to do a tour style photo reel for your listings, because people are just going to want to look at what they're getting, the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, and then they're going to want to make their decision. Here we go, guys. We got a kitchen right here. Looks like a great kitchen. You got a washer and dryer in the kitchen. Also, that's a great feature. Some stainless steel appliances. Looks very well updated with some nice amenities on the countertop. However, I wish she would describe out what is actually in her kitchen and put some actual picture descriptions to tell people what they can't see in the cabinets. What type of coffee do they get? Do they get coffee? Do they get tea? what type of cooking supplies, things of that nature. And the 5th picture is a gorgeous pool area. I love putting this one at the top. Again, if you have special amenities, whether you're a condo or just a regular home listing, if you have something special about your listing, put it in those top 5 photos, put it in those top 10 photos so a lot of potential guests see them.
Okay.
Here we go with another great, beautiful view of the actual ocean. That's gorgeous. Here's another picture of the kitchen. Here's another picture of the kitchen. Another picture of the kitchen, and then another picture of the kitchen. And you could see, rounding off her top 10, she just did 4 different pictures of the kitchen. And again, I don't really like that. Don't do tour style photo reels when you're posting your pictures. Mix up your photos, move them around a little bit. If you want to get a layout done of your actual listing so people can see the layout, you could actually put a picture of a layout instead of trying to do a tour style. Anyways, let's pop over to Darla's listing in Panama Breeze and let's check out these pictures. So here we go. I mean, the kitchen area looks nice with a nice loft above the area. And as you notice, Darla does some descriptions on her photos, which I actually love. Always a great idea to do descriptions on your photos, and make sure in your descriptions you are putting things that people cannot see in the pictures that your listing offers, so they're getting more information. Okay, this to me is just a bad photo. No. People, when they're booking, when they're going on vacation, they don't exactly care about the name of the place they're staying. This could help guests after they book for directions and things like that. But if you want to throw a photo like this in, definitely wouldn't do it in the top 10. It would be more towards the end. And again, definitely wouldn't do this picture either. And if you see in the description, Panama Breeze is located at the end of a building in a complex. Our condo is the building behind the office on the 3rd floor. Parking is located directly below. Like I said, she's giving guests directions here. You shouldn't be doing that in your top 5 photos and not even in your top 10. She's kind of giving people directions on how to get there. These people haven't even booked yet. They're determining whether they want to book. Really would remove this picture for sure.
This is the worst.
And now a picture of her front door. Again, same thing as the previous picture. And then back to the same picture as the initial photo, just another living room shot. So Darla's top 5 really needs work. She really wants to sprinkle in what people are getting in their condo. Take a picture of the beach from the condo if there's a beach view. If there's no beach view, take a picture, maybe a drone shot showing with an arrow showing where her condo is and then how far the beach is. And then do a picture of the living room and kitchen, do a picture of the bedroom, do a picture of the bathroom. This is really just not a good first set of photos. Here we go, we got the living room, very bland furniture here. It's all brown. I like Keandria's photos way better. But if you notice in her descriptions, it says we have some fun family beach DVDs available, a smart TV equipped with Comcast cable. That is what I'm talking about. Darla is doing better in her descriptions, letting guests know what they're getting that aren't in the actual, that you can't see from the actual pictures. Picture 7 is another picture of the living room. Picture 8, same thing. Picture 9, a little desk area. And picture 10, a living room. So here we are, 10 pictures in. We haven't seen a bedroom. We haven't seen a bathroom. We haven't really seen the kitchen. I just think this is a bad first 10. Here's 11 is the kitchen, another kitchen. She is doing this very tour style, and it's really bad because a lot of potential guests, they're going to look at your first 5 to 10 pictures, then they're going to go to the next listing. So anyways, we are going to hop out of there. And obviously, I think we have a clear winner again with Keandra taking it in the photos section as well. I would add descriptions to Keandra's photos. Let's hop down really quickly and let's do a price analysis. So I did put in the same weekend, 9/13 through 9/15, with the same amount of guests, 4. And you'll notice that Darla's listing is $462. Keandria's listing at $733. So you are paying a lot more for Keandria's listing. However, you are going to be right on the beach, and I think the pictures make it look a lot nicer. So we're going to take a quick peek at their descriptions, and here's their descriptions. So Keandria's is pretty nice, has a bunch of amenities listed out. However, it is kind of jumbled up and difficult to read. So again, guys, I always recommend with the description, you break things up, you bullet point things, you keep things short and simple. People are not going to read through all of this description, or most potential guests are not going to read through all of it. So having these big paragraphs and having a lot of text is just going to kind of get lost in the sauce. Nobody's going to end up actually reading it. And let's head over to Darla's listing and let's see her description, which is just kind of barren.
What?
A couple small paragraphs, nothing to really go on. And honestly, I think both the descriptions need work. I would say in the description area, I wouldn't really give anyone a gold star there. You guys let me know what you think down below, if you disagree or agree with those descriptions and if they need work or not. All right, let's head off into the reviews. We got 4.87 a guest favorite right across the board, 4.8 in cleanliness, 4.9 in accuracy, 4.9 in check-in, 5.0 in communication, 4.9 in location, and 4.9 in value. Okay, so again, cleanliness is the lowest category for who is this, Darla? Darla, yes, cleanliness is the lowest category for Darla. However, so I think she should work on that. But let's just pop in to check out a couple of these bad reviews and see what people are complaining about. So we have this first one for Christina. You know, on the floor, I saw how dirty and sandy it was. So again, some cleaning issues. Then we have Sunswept is unit 424 in an older condo that has been renovated nicely. It's located on the 3rd floor and there's no elevator, so maybe some complaints about the elevator. And then at the bottom of that review, it says listing says it sleeps 6, but it will be very crowded for 6 guests. So possibly overcrowded in Darla's. Now let's head over to Keandria's listing and see what she is. So she's at a 4.88 with a 4.9 for cleanliness, 4.9s across the board, except 5.0 in communications and location. And let's see what type of reviews she has. So in the lowest rated section, we do have a 3-star where Taylor says it becomes a running joke between me and my fiance that half of everything in the condo worked. So obviously there's some issues with some repairs, maybe some deferred maintenance that Keandria needs to put some money into. That was back on August of 2023. So hopefully she has fixed that up. Then we actually got a good recommendation, but a 4-star, very beautiful condo, would highly recommend. Some people just do that, or maybe there was some private feedback. And next is Nikisha. The place was exactly, probably she means like it was supposed to be. Love the view. The host responded to every concern. Got it taken care of. I will book again on my next trip. Not sure why they left a 4-star. But overall, it looks like they're getting decent reviews. They got to work on some maintenance issues, both of them, and some cleanliness issues maybe over at Darla's. So anyways, guys, those are the 2 listings. Let's hop out and do a review of them and see what we see. All right, guys, so that wraps up the battle of the 2 Panama Beach listings. That is Darla's listing, the Panama Beach Serene, Comfortable, and Affordable, versus Keandria's listing, the Seaside Oasis, 2-bed, 2-bath condo with a gorgeous view. I am going to give the battle to Keandria. I think she could do some work in her title and maybe her prices are a little bit higher. However, her pictures were just much better. Overall, I would definitely stay at her place. I think it would be worth the extra money. Whereas you had Darla's listing where the pictures were really just out of order. I didn't even get to see where I was going to be staying in the first 10. The title says affordable, which also needs some work. And it sounds like the condo is a little bit dilapidated, may need some maintenance. So my vote is for Keandria's listing. You guys let me know what you thought. As always, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will catch you guys next time.